This one goes to require validation. And we have here some required posts also. What is this guy here? The name?
You know what might be happening?
Yeah.
Because the names are the same. So you see how...
This guy and this guy?
No, wait, no, I was looking at the wrong one.
This is actually the parents for this guy.
Yeah.
And this is required post in the controller.
Wait, should that be chapter 4 enhanced? Go up to the top of this.
This guy here?
Oh,
Chapter 4.
Okay.
Right.
Because you have something on the top similar.
Yeah, chapter 4 here, the element parameters. All right, so we have no errors, but it's not doing what it's supposed to do. So what was it that we changed it from the errors that then it worked, but it was working fine before? No. We had it at the time yesterday before we left, and
Yeah.
we had everything working fine.
Yeah, it was working fine. Remember.
Is yours working 100% of it?
Oh, no, absolutely. There are no errors with mine, but it does not run yet.
But yours is working?
I think I just tried all the controllers that were there,
Go to index.
and just figured out
You
which
got
one.
lucky, right?
Yeah, which one wouldn't be highlighted red works.
Yeah, these are the guys with the arrows, right, that were supposed to be getting. How about if we copy from a chapter from the old book?
I tried it, it didn't.
Go up to the web INF.
Web INF, okay, so web INF it is. Right here,
Yeah.
chapter 4, yes.
Can you open those and see what they look at?
Yeah, okay,
See, that's the
so
ones they're calling for some reason.
it's calling this guy, right?
Yeah.
Right. I'm gonna put this, with the next here, okay? To see if that's exactly what it's
Yeah,
doing.
yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the one it's calling. For some reason it's...
Yep.
I think since we have it as the, since that's the only folder that's within the web INF root or folder, that's the one that's calling. That's like, it's like overriding it for some reason. Because even though in the controller helper we have this JSP location,
Right.
chapter 5 require post.
Mhm.
There's not, that folder isn't in the web INF folder. You know?
Right.
So I think, I don't know, if we were to take out, we're not using that folder up there, are we? The chapter 4 folder in the web INF?
I don't know if it's being used.
We're not using, if it's for chapter 4, it's chapter 5.
So what you're saying is maybe we should take that out and see what happens?
Yeah,
All right, maybe we can rename those guys.
or just move that folder to like the main directory instead of
Take that, the enhanced guy?
that whole chapter 4 folder, just move it and bring it out to the main level, like where it's at the same level as index. Yeah. Alright, I'll try it.
Yeah, now it's out there. That's fine, it.
Alright, the request to resource.
So this guy, the controller of the required post is trying to get to this guy. The controller of the required post, right?
Yeah. Well, why would it be going to that?
The controller of the required post, this guy here. And that's the one that has the error.
Why?
The reason is because right here.
And everything is working.
So this is overriding the exit of the jars? This line?
Yeah.
Does it need
20 of them or the chapter 4? I need to use a 9.
Does it need to have that import, the chapter 4 enhanced
It's
controller?
working properly?
Yes.
Not till
posts.
Right.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Cameron, do you have that input for four? On the controller, where you have the required post?
Controller, correct.
Because you have 6 and we have 7 here, maybe that's what the problem is.
I have 6 here. I have the I/O servlet exception, the web servlet, HTTP servlet.
But do you have the CH4?
No, I don't have CH4.
Yeah, that could be
I
it,
don't have
actually.
CH4 at all.
Because that, in the chapter
You
four
wanna
one
take
is
out
the
that
one that's
one?
called in that.
It's being called, right?
Yeah, I have request and response, and I don't have servlet exception.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this guy out.
Yeah, just for a moment.
Comment it out.
Yeah, let's
see
comment
what
it out,
happens.
just for a moment.
There you go.
3, 6, yeah, I have
See
those
if it
6,
runs
right.
now.
See if it runs.
So your
Oh,
computer,
Fresh.
so there's so many
There you
processes.
go, solved it.
You could like, it would go slow.
There
Even
you
worse.
go.
See, it's even worse.
Does it say line online?
Yeah. Like a silly candle.
So we have an exception there on the edit of the required post. At line
26.
26. So the edit of the required post on 5.
Do we have days per week in the, is it in the data B?
This is where
Give me a second. Right here. Days of the week, right?
Yeah, but I'll go to request data required.
Request data required. Request, I don't see
It's
it.
in, under,
No, it's not there.
Yeah, does require posts need a beam class?
This one?
yeah, I think it's using this one. Yes, that's the thing, we don't have,
We don't have that one.
we don't have a field for that, we don't have a beam for,
Yeah.
so we're trying to pass it.
Right,
You can't pass it down.
we need a beam.
Okay, so we need a set again.
What we can do is just take it out of the edit page, that, you could do that. Instead, I just wanna actually create the,
Somebody left. Who left? Yeah, that lady, I take it personal.
that could be.
I'm doing such a bad job. that
Here's
people
mine.
getting it. Say, I'm sorry, say that.
you can, there's two options. You can
One
either-
edit over here.
You can either create the getter and set it for days of the week,
Right.
or you can just take it out of the
Yeah,
JSP,
you just like.
Oh, the JSP.
which is up, wherever you have it open.
Well, what traffic?
Which one?
Edit.
Which JSP?
Edit.
This guy here?
Yeah.
We're all the way up here.
So yeah, that last one where it says days per week for practicing, just take that out.
That's not it.
Yeah, this is a JSP, so the commenting is different.
How's the commenting?
It's, I think it's, what is it, greater than,
Oh, that's with the percentage?
yeah, percentage or exclamation mark.
Wait, this is- yeah.
Actually,
Okay.
it says exclamation, then if it is, why, how come I'm saying this?
So this is
You
what
have
I
to
just.
close it.
You have to close
Consider-
it.
It's considering everything after that a comment.
Yeah,
After
that's
this
the
guy.
multi-line.
So yeah, right there, yeah.
There's gotta be another one before that.
Yeah, it's strange that's highlighted, yeah.
Yeah, go to the right of the less than sign.
To the right of what, this one?
No, no, the bottom line all the way in.
Yeah, where it says value, oh, no.
Right here?
No, no, no.
What about,
No.
up to line 26, always at end.
Line 26 at the end, and then put
Yeah, put, no,
One more,
minus,
one more.
minus.
No, no, one more.
One more up to the right.
One more?
One more to the right. Erase that. Now go one more to the right, like, at all the way to the end, I'll do dash dash.
Greater than?
Yeah, greater than
If I
5.
find it, I had it here. Somebody took it, there you go. No, we still have the EL over here. Let's see if that
Well, that's
works.
because there's a greater than before
No,
that, maybe?
yeah, you gotta close the greater than.
I did,
You
right
have two,
here.
you
I
have two
don't know,
graders.
for some reason you can't comment out of the EL
The
statement.
EL stays lit, right?
Yeah, so I guess it's,
Yeah, it's commented out, you need to put take out the comment sign and just put the greater than sign for that. No, from the input,
wait.
before the input.
Right, it's right here.
Yeah, just take out that and just put the greater than sign.
Come to class
I did.
and it's ended.